If you want to get movie star slim, ultrasound is the next hot thing. A Bay Area company is using the technology to melt fat. ABC-7's health and science reporter Carolyn Johnson has more.
This is a specific type of high-intensity focused ultrasound developed by a company in Hayward that generates heat as it enters the body. And doctors say that heat effectively kills fat cells.
Watching her walk down the street, few people would describe Brittany as heavy. But this sales professional, who asked us not to use her last name, says she has a problem area.
I feel as if I'm wearing a spare tire around my body.
Today, she's hoping to lose up to an inch off her waistline without surgery. Instead, she's being treated with a newly approved device called Liposonix. Walnut Creek dermatologist Christine Lee says the system uses high-intensity focused ultrasound to melt away fat cells.
Sometimes you'll hear the snap, crackle, pop. It sounds literally like fat sizzling.
Dr. Lee begins by marking numbered target points on Brittany's stomach. Since the ultrasound delivers heat, she needs to carefully track which sections have been treated and for how long.
The only requirement is that you have to have at least 1 inch of fat. Okay, so here we go.
Once the procedure is mapped out, Dr. Lee delivers preset pulses of ultrasound to each target in the order they're marked. She says some patients will feel a light stinging sensation.
Some parts of the body you feel a little bit more than others.
And the system won't produce the extreme results of techniques like liposuction, which requires surgery to remove the fat. But Dr. Lee says since Liposonix can be used to treat wide areas of the body, the overall results are more noticeable than some other non-invasive options.
Patients have been getting 1 inch on average of fat loss.
And Brittany's results have been slightly better. A few weeks after we taped her procedure, her measurements showed a loss of nearly 2 inches around her waist, a reduction most visible in the area commonly referred to as the love handles. Dr. Lee says the full benefits take about 8 to 12 weeks as the body flushes out the dead fat cells.
And so as long as you've got 1 inch there, we can treat it. And the treatment results have been astounding.
Sessions typically cost between $1,500 to $3,000. The main side effect is light bruising, which can last for about 2 weeks. I'm Carolyn Johnson, ABC 7 News.